Nalolod tayo. Ito kapatid ko. Kapatid ko. Nalolod siya ng ganito. Si Mikey at JJ. Ayan, guys. Mikey at JJ. Mikey at JJ, guys. Mikey at JJ. Hello, guys. Nalolod sila ng Mikey at JJ. Yan o. Nalolod siya ng Mikey at JJ. Ganito. Wow! Wow! Wow, ang lalaki mo. May baril siya, guys.
Well done, sorcerer. Thank you so much for your help. Now you can leave now. We'll take it from here. Thank you and goodbye.
Always happy to help good people. Goodbye to you.
What?
JJ, before you throw the potion at me, I want to say thank you for trying and not giving up and looking for a way to get me. Alright, let's wait. What? Why can't I do anything?
Baril.
Crazy!
Yay! It actually worked. You got small and you got out. But now there's a new problem. You need to get bigger.
I know how to do it.
A few moments later.
We got a surprise for you guys. We've been thinking
Yo,
for a
guys.
long time about how to get the Mikey size back.
Hello!
With it. You can probably hear the distance by now, and a lot of you probably guessed it.
Kain sila, guys. Kain.
I'm gonna warm up.
Go ahead and warm up until I see your normal size. But hurry up, because we want to do something else.
You guys are the reason I made it out, and of course my other friends.
Mama ko, guys. Tapos yung isa ay, kaibigan niya.
We need to thank certain people.
So,
Giant bowl siempre rin.
what the?
The new garden fire seawater jar.
Android yung TV namin, guys. Ay, Android yung TV namin. Ow! Android yung TV namin.
Stop what? Oh no, JJ, you can do this on your own. Bye bye.
What the? Is that catnap nightmare? What?
Give me my money now. We work together, not just you alone. Give me my money.
No, I won't. Leave me alone.
Is that JJ and Mikey? What are they fighting? Ba't sila nag-aaway?
I'm gonna get in it and
Kabaong.
dead. Hello, village.
What?
Send this coffin to my
Huwag ka mag-pretend na patay ka.
great. Now all
Huwag kang mag-fake ng patay mo.
it's gonna be hilarious.
Baka
Mikey's face.
baka mamatay ka talaga.
Let's get the car started and get on the road. Have a great trip. Drive
What?
carefully so I don't get car sick. Don't
This
drive
is me, my family, me, my mom, and my sister.
Let's just hurry up. Ring the doorbell.
Ako to, pamilya ko, papa, si mama, at si Ate Rhea.
Who's here this early? Hello? What? Is this some kind of joke? A coffin? You sent me a coffin?
Nag-vlog ako.
I'm gonna open it up. I need to see what's in there.
Ano?
Oh my god, it's JJ. Oh no, JJ, not this. We were just together.
Bye-bye.
This is so bad.
Bye-bye.
Wait, this be my friend's best friend.
Bye-bye.